Safani blew the start. At the other end it is Woodrow, straight into the lead, followed by Johan Safani. They're tracked in these early stages by Woodford General, who's in a disputing third place with, on the outside, Celery Chance. 2 lengths back to Tommy the Hat, who's right beside Finn's Bay, as replying time in the white cap relegates Tafari to be the back marker. Half a mile from the finish as they turn into the straight, and Johan Safani has gone up on the outside to dispute the lead, matching strides around the bend with Woodrow, and they've quickened 3 lengths in front of Woodford General. Celery Chance has pushed along in fourth, and then Tommy the Hat as they pass the halfway stage. After Tommy the Hat then comes replying time, Finn's Bay and Tafari, making their way well up the straight, and little choose between Johan Safani on the outside in the first colours of trainer Michael O'Callaghan. Sticking with Johan Safani is Woodrow, and they're gone 5 lengths clear of Celery Chances. Woodford General running on the outside is Finn's Bay, and then Tommy the Hat and replying time, but it is Johan Safani drawing away up the hill under Lee Roach for Michael O'Callaghan, and will readily beat running on Finn's Bay for second, and Woodrow, Celery Chances, and Tommy the Hat.